Hello everyone! In this video I want to show you how I make fine print lettering using single needle. I use a 10-1 RL needle and it all starts with the marking step. At this stage, it's so important not to plunge the needle deep under the skin. Working at low voltages, you can also use gray wash at this stage to keep the lines as light as possible. You need to feel the first touch of the skin and work on that feeling. This way you will work on a layer of epidermis, so what the lines you will make will not take root, and you will be able to neatly ink the tattoo at the next stage, even if you will have some mistake at the marking stage. The main thing of this stage is to make markings carefully, calmly, trying not to deviate from the contour of the stencil. This step is very important when you work with complex and thin tattoos, as the outline of the stencil is much thicker than the lines that your needle leaves. This step usually takes a little time and is not traumatic. Some masters make such markings using ordinary distilled water, so what the ink doesn't remain in the skin at all. The next step is rolling. I usually do it after a skin compress. How I make the compress? You can use aloe gel on the tattoo area and stretch film, which you will put hermetically on the client's skin for 10 minutes. Maybe 10 or 15 minutes, it will be so good for client's skin. I do this step at higher voltages and deeper under the skin, and I use a progressive technique. It means what I don't draw the outline but make it with small dashes or strokes. This method allows me to make the lines more colorful and not traumatize the skin with such a thin needle. By the way, the voltage in this step not so high. It can be about 6.5 or 7, and it depends on the skin of your client. The most important thing in thin contour is not to sink the needle and not to traumatize the skin, so that healing was clear and without blurred contours. Don't sink the needle, try to work slowly and in a measured manner. The main thing is to take your time. It's important to learn how to feel the depth of the client's skin and the feedback to the machine. Such thin and even lettering should be done with the utmost care and attention. You need to pay attention to the repeated letters so that they are the same. Also, the hair of the letters should also be the same. This is what affects the neatness of such a tattoo and its correct perception. I wish you to learn how to make thin and neat tattoos what you will like yourself.